Introduction. Sachin returns home from school very excited. He tells his mother that the students of his class were examined by the doctor. He is happy that the doctor declared him physically fit and healthy. But there is one thing bothering him. The doctor measured his height in centimeters and weight in kilograms. He wants to know the difference between the two units of measurement, centimeters and kilograms. In this lesson, we will learn about the various units of measurement in detail. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to state the use of different metric measures, convert meters into centimeters, add and subtract meters and centimeters, convert kilograms into grams, add and subtract kilograms and grams, convert liters into milliliters, add and subtract liters and milliliters. Metric measures. Meter is represented by m and centimeter by cm. The weight of an object is measured in grams and kilograms. The symbol kg represents kilogram while the symbol g represents gram. Capacity is measured in liters and milliliters. L represents liter and ml represents milliliter. Conversion of meters into centimeters. It is time to understand the relationship between meters and centimeters. We will then convert meters into centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 3 meters is equal to 3 into 100, 300 centimeters. Addition with conversion. Now that we know how to convert meters into centimeters, let us learn to add meters and centimeters. Let us add 4 meter and 300 centimeter. Let us first convert meters into centimeters. 4 meter is equal to 4 into 100 centimeter, which equals 400 centimeters. 4 meter plus 300 centimeter is equal to 400 centimeter plus 300 centimeter, which equals 700 centimeter. Subtraction with conversion. Let us now move on to subtraction. Let us subtract 5 meter from 700 centimeter. 5 meter is equal to 5 into 100 centimeter, which equals 500 centimeter. 700 centimeter minus 5 meter is equal to 700 centimeter minus 500 centimeter, which equals 200 centimeter. Conversion of kilograms into grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Therefore, the weight of a 5 kg rice bag can be calculated as 5 kg is equal to 5 into 1000 grams, which equals 5000 grams. Addition with conversion. Let's now add 7 kilograms with 700 grams. Let us first convert kilograms into grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So, 7 kg is equal to 7 into 1000 grams, which equals 7000 grams. 7 kg plus 700 grams is equal to 7000 grams plus 700 grams, which equals 7700 grams. Subtraction with conversion. Let us proceed to subtraction. Let us subtract 7000 grams from 9 kilograms. 9 kg is 9 into 1000 grams, which equals 9000 grams. 9 kg minus 7000 grams is equal to 9000 grams minus 7000 grams, which equals 2000 grams. Conversion of liter to milliliter. Sonam drinks 3 liters of water in a day. What is Sonam's water intake in milliliters? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 3 liter is equal to 3 into 1000 milliliter, which equals 3000 milliliter. Therefore, Sonam drinks 3000 milliliters of water in a day. Addition and subtraction with conversion. Soha's water bottle holds 2 liters of water. Soha drank 500 milliliter of water and her friend Govind drank 700 milliliter. Let's find out how much water is left in Soha's bottle. Total water in the bottle is 2 liter, which is 2 into 1000 milliliter, which equals 2000 milliliter. Total water consumed is 500 milliliter plus 700 milliliter, which is 1200 milliliter. Water left in the bottle is equal to 2000 milliliter minus 1200 milliliter, which equals 800 milliliter. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Length of an object is measured in centimeters and meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Addition and subtraction of centimeters and meters is done with the help of conversion. Weight of an object is measured in grams and kilograms. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Addition and subtraction of grams and kilograms is done with the help of conversion. Capacity is measured in milliliters and liters. Addition and subtraction of milliliters and liters is done with the help of conversion.